Bismillahirrohmanirrohim. Hello English language learners. In this lesson, we are going to learn about the usage of there is or there are expression presented by Bandung Linguaphile learner. What is the meaning of there is or there are? It means to indicate what exists or is available in a particular place or situation. There is a form from singular thing, and there are is a form of plural things. When we are talking about one thing, we use there is. When we are talking about two or more things, we use there are. Now in this section, we are going to learn only point number 1 about affirmative sentences using there is and there are. There are two ways to form the positive sentences. Number 1, the subject comes after the be verb. There plus be verb plus subject plus location. For example number 1, there is a cinema in my town. There is a be verb. A cinema is a subject. And in my town is a location. There are 2 cinemas in my town. Always put there and then put are as a be verb. Two cinemas is a subject. In my town is a location. Number 3. There is a theater in my village. There is a be verb. The theater is a subject. In my village is a location. Number 4. There are 2 theaters in my village. There are, we use the be verb are. Are is the be verb. Two theaters is the subject. In my village is a location. Point number 2. We can use the formula with the location first. Location first, and then there plus be verb plus subject. For example, 2 blocks down the street. This is the location. There are 2 Indonesian restaurants. We use there. We use the be verb are. 2 Indonesian restaurant is the subject. Point number 2. Now we are going to learn how to make negative sentences using there is and there are. There are 3 ways to form the negative sentences. We can use there plus be verb plus negative plus subject plus location. Number 2, we can use not any to form the negative sentences. We can use no to form the negative sentences. How to form the negative sentences? For example, there is not a gas station on the corner. Number 2, not any. There are not any cookies remaining in the jar. Number 3, no. There are no stores in resident areas. The contraction. You can contract 2 words into 1 word. For example, there is becomes theirs. Number 2, there are becomes theirs. But you cannot use this in formal writing. You can use this in speaking or in informal writing. Number 3, there is not becomes there isn't. Number 4, there are not becomes there aren't. The last one, we will learn about interrogative sentences using there is and there are. To form the interrogative sentence, we use be verb plus there plus subject plus location. To make it more softer, we have to use excuse me or pardon me and add some more information to help a person to find out the place if needed. For example, question. Excuse me, is there a train station around here? We use excuse me only to make it more softer. Is the verb. There, we put there. A train station is the subject. Around here is the location. The answer would be yes, there is. The nearest train station is just a few blocks away. It's about a 5-minute walk down this street. Okay, you can only say yes, there is. This is a short way to say or to answer yes. And you have to add some more information. For example, the nearest train station is just a few blocks away. It's about a 5-minute walk down in this street. This is only additional information. Pardon me, is there a bookstore around here? No, there is not. I don't know where you can find in this area. There is a gas station on the corner. Exercise. Can you unscramble the words to form a question? Please describe about your town. What do you see in your park? Please write down your answer in the comment section. Resources. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.